Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today our topic is about Samsung split AC remote on timer function, and off timer function. Today we discuss these 2 points and how to set our on timer settings and how to set our off timer settings. So let's start our remote. This is our remote and this is our fan speed. We can see. I'll show you. So this when we press the on timer, you can see this it show us zero point 0.5. It's half hour. It means half hour. So this time up, time down. We can check from here 1 hour. It how it works. You can see it 4 hour now. This for up down setting of on timer. So we can set our time when we want to set our time AC to start. This is on timer for to set when we let's suppose we want after 3 hours to start our AC or after 4 hours, then we can press set. So our on timer is on now. See, this it show us the on position. It's in on position now. You can see in the corner, in the left corner. So if you want to cancel this, you want to cancel this command, you press here cancel button. You can see now this is removed now from the left corner. So this is about the on timer when we want to how many after how many hours we want to start our AC. Maybe now 1 o'clock, after 5 hours we want to start at 5 o'clock. After 5 hours it will start. You can set like this and cancel from here. If you don't want this function, you can cancel it from here. It's stop now. So about off timer, we can see off timer. Let's suppose we start our AC now. This is off timer. We want to off after 8 hours. Our duty hours are 8 hours, so we want to stop our AC after 8 hours. We can put here 8. This is 8 hours and put the set button. So our off timer is activate now. Before you see there is on timer signal coming, but now it comes off timer. So after 8 hour our AC will be stop working at this position. So if we want to cancel this, you can cancel this from this cancel button. There is nothing showing now. You can set your mode, cool mode, and temperature settings, which how much temperature you want, and this is your fan settings, how much fan speed you want. From you can adjust from here. So this is all about the on timer and off timer today. So it's all about the on timer and off timer. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for more notification. Thanks for watching.